want to commend the government to move forward to restore the City Hall building. However, we currently are relocating the town clerk, secretary, the treasury department, the chamber, and so on. Those works had commenced. I want to commend government on this restoration of City Hall building, and I encourage government to work with the mayor and city council. I believe we ought to have a discussion on the way forward now to start some work at the City Hall building. I want to see the government had taken a bold step, and I commend the government.